Hello, farmers. This is the Digest TV. Today, we'll be discussing key mindsets for poultry farming business success. Everything you do in life is about mindsets, including business. You get the mindsets right, you have a greater chance of attaining success in that particular venture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also leave your comments if you want me to do any video for you in the farming sector. Please just drop the topic on the comments. I will work on it and try to do something about it. Also like the video and share to other farmers. On the Digest TV, we're having a lot of discussions that range from farming to business generally, marketing, sales, pet keeping, and even your health. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for loaded insights for your success in whatever you do. So key mindset for poultry farming business success. Adopting the following success mindset can greatly benefit your poultry farming business. I'm going to discuss a couple of them. Number one, long-term vision. Long-term vision. Develop a clear vision for your poultry farm future. Set specific and achievable long-term goals, such as expanding production, diversifying your products, or improving sustainability. Having a vision will guide your decisions and keep you focused on your ultimate objectives. So it's not when you are in the business that you begin to now try to do some other thing. Even from the beginning now. That's why this particular slide will be very good for intending poultry farmers. It's a very good video for you to watch again and again to help you stay grounded. I've been in this industry for over 30-something years, and I can tell you that those who follow this kind of instruction, they tend to get ahead and make a success of the farming business. And if you're already in farming business, this video will also help you to correct some things and stay on track. So, number one, you want to have a long-term vision. And this is by developing a clear vision for your poultry farm's future. Set specific and achievable long-term goals, such as expanding production, diversifying products, or improving sustainability. Having a vision will guide your decisions and keep you focused on your ultimate objectives. Don't forget your ultimate objectives. And I'm sure one of them is, like I said, the first rule of business success is to make profit. That's the first rule of business success. If you're not obeying that rule, I don't know why you're in business. That's the first, you must be profitable. Number two, continuous learning. You must have the mindset to learn every day. Every day. Every day is a school for a farmer that wants to succeed. Every day is a school. Stay updated with the latest agricultural research, industry trends, and technological advancements. Attend workshops, seminars, and webinars related to poultry farming to enhance your knowledge and skills. Constantly seek ways to improve your farm's efficiency and stay competitive. Every day is a school day for farmers. Even, I would say, 7 days a week. As a farmer, you need to learn and relearn and learn and relearn. And it's so good nowadays that you have information everywhere for those who want to learn. Part of it is a video I'm trying to develop for you now. And if you are committed to learning as a mindset, your success is guaranteed in any business. Because you learn a lot of things that you can quickly adapt to your business. And I have this concept that says area, AREA, you try to actualize something, and then you reassess what you have done, evaluate it, and take action again. You take action, you assess what you have gotten, evaluate it, and then take action again. So that is the process that you need to cultivate as a farmer. Continuous learning. Number 3, adaptability. I like this. Being adaptable. If you're not willing to be adaptable, you can't get it right in any business, including poultry farming. The agricultural sector can be influenced by various factors like weather, disease outbreaks, or market fluctuations. Be prepared to adapt your strategies and operations accordingly. Don't forget that word. Be prepared to adapt your strategies and operations accordingly. Flexibility in planning and execution will help you navigate through uncertainties. So you need to be prepared. You don't expect that what happened last month will happen this month. Just be prepared. Whatever will happen, when you have a prepared mind, you can quickly dodge any problem. When people are looking at the problem, you're already looking at the solution. So you don't allow problem to get you down. People complain problems here and there. Like in my country now, there's a lot of noise about problems in the poultry sector. I agree, but then some farmers, they keep looking for solution within that problem. And that is, some of them, fast forward maybe about 5 months forward, they will say, oh, this particular time was the best time for them. Because until you are forced to look inward, you may not be able to go forward in life. So that is very important. You need to be adaptable. Number 4, resilience is another thing that you need to have. You need to have a resilient mindset. A resilient mindset. Poultry farming, like any business, may face challenges and setbacks. Learn from failures and use them as opportunities for growth. Learn from failures and use them as opportunities for growth. Stay resilient, maintain a positive outlook, and be ready to bounce back stronger. I've had a lot of interviews with farmers in Nigeria, my country, and many of the ones that are really doing well now, they have stories of setbacks, failures, disappointments, losses. The reason why they are still standing today is because they decided to be resilient and come back again and again and again. And I tell you something, this is just the story in any business. You must be resilient. You must be resilient. You cannot be resilient, go and be working as a civil servant or be getting salary somewhere. But if you want to do business, you must cultivate the attitude of being resilient. And in fact, even if you are doing a paid employment, is the resilient people want to work with resilient employees who can say, oh, Oga, look, we can't afford to give up now. Let's go at it again. This is the Digest TV. I'm your host, Dr. Joseph Deji-Folutile. If you have not done so, please subscribe to this channel, press the like button, and share to other farmers. And if you want me to talk on any particular topic in the farming industry, no matter the area of farming industry, just put it on the comment below. I'll work on it. Number 5, attention to detail. Don't forget, we are looking at the key mindset for poultry farming business success. Number 5, attention to detail. attention to detail. You can't be too detailed as a farmer. You can't. You can't be too detailed as a farmer. But I once interviewed an accountant. He said, look, doctor, farming is a business of figures. You can't track your figures. You will not be able to make a success of poultry farming. So attention to detail. In poultry farming, paying attention to every detail is crucial. Monitor the health of your birds regularly. It's very important. Maintain proper sanitation, of course. I always maintain that biosecurity is the secret of production success. So maintain proper sanitation and provide balanced and nutritious diet. Many farmers fail for one single reason, for area of nutrition. Because it's the key thing you are doing in farming, in poultry farming, any livestock farming, is nutrition. In fact, nutrition takes about 75% of your cost. Takes about 75% of your cost. So if you are not mindful of your nutrition and you are serious with it, it could be the area that is going to be the downfall of that farm. So also keep accurate records of your operations and finances for better decision making. Keep accurate records of your operations and finances for better decision making. Nowadays, you want to get a loan from the bank, one of the things to look for is look at your records. Look at your records, because you see, if someone cannot keep records, it's very, very difficult to be able to manage loan. So record keeping is fundamental. Number 6, customer focus. Customer focus. You need to be customer centric as a farmer. You need to be customer centric, because what are you talking about? If you, no matter what you do, you produce, if it does not get to the customers, to the market, it's not going to work for anybody. So customer focus. I love the word focus. Customer focus. You are customer focused. Understand your target market needs and preferences. That's very interesting, very, very important. Preferences. Produce high-quality poultry products that meet customer demand and expectations. Engage with your customers to gather feedback and improve your offerings accordingly. This area is lacking in my country, Nigeria. We just believe that, because you are a farmer, you've gone into farming, you put all your mind on production. Everything on production, and by the time you finish producing, you don't know how to deal with customers, you don't know how to market the product, you don't know how to, so you begin to have problems. So you do all the labor. The middlemen that are very efficient in this area, they will just come and pack your product at their own price, and they make all the money. They don't even know how production is being done here. They don't care. Just produce for us, and they collect your products at their own price. So as a farmer, you need to be customer focused. You need to also know where your products are going to, who are eating your products, how many of them can you collect, how many of them can you assemble, how many of them can you get around you, how many of them can you satisfy and get feedback from them so that you can develop them for better business. Number 7, financial savviness. Financial savviness. You have to be financial savvy if you want to make it in poultry farming business. And this is by managing your farm's finances effectively. Create a budget and track your expenses and income regularly. Create a budget and track your expenses and income regularly. Don't forget that word. Create a budget and track your expenses and income regularly. Minimize unnecessary costs and explore cost-effective solutions while ensuring the welfare of your flock. So you need to be financial savvy. And the more you are in that area as a mindset, the better you are positioned to keep making more and more money in poultry farming business, you need to be financially savvy, and tracking your expenses and income regularly is fundamental. And then minimizing unnecessary costs and explore cost-effective solution. Explore it. So it's a dynamic thing. There's no stopping. If you keep working on your business, you get there. So number 8, efficient operations. Once again, this is Digest TV. Your host, Dr. Joseph Deji-Folutile. If you have not done so, please subscribe to this channel, press the like button and share to other farmers. And then if you have any other area of farming industry you want me to talk about, please put it on the comment below and I will do justice to that. So, key mindset for poultry farming business success. Number 8, efficient operations. Efficient operations. Focus on efficient operations. Optimize your farm's workflow to maximize productivity. Automate repetitive tasks where possible and invest in modern poultry farming equipment. Invest in modern poultry farming equipment. Efficient operations lead to better resource management and increased profitability. When you are efficient in operations, it can only lead to better resource management and increased profitability. Don't forget, the purpose of your business is to make profits. And the road to that profit is efficient operations. It's non-negotiable. So optimize your farm's workflow to maximize productivity, automate repetitive tasks where possible, and invest in modern poultry farming equipment. Efficient operations lead to better resource management and increased profitability. Number 9, networking. I love this point, networking. Business is about networking. People say your network is your net worth. I believe that even in business, networking. Establish a strong network within the poultry farming community. Connect with other farmers, suppliers, and industry experts. Sharing knowledge and experiences can provide valuable insights and support during challenging times. So networking is very important. If you are a new farmer, you're just coming up, your networking power is going to really help you. And if you're already in farming industry and you've not been networking, you need to start now. You need to start now. You are losing a lot by not networking. You are losing a lot by not networking. My own business in getting information to farmers for the past for over 2 decades now. I've built a magazine, have a couple of websites, train farmers all over Nigeria. The strength of that business model has been based on networking. You have to network. You have to network. Look at people, the stakeholders in your industry. You want to network with them. The experts, the farmers, the suppliers. The more of the suppliers you know, the more you can leverage in getting better products. The more of the experts you know, the more you can get the best of experts to work on your farm. The more of the farmers who are doing better than you that you know, the more you can work on them to mentor you. So networking is very fundamental, very fundamental. So establish a strong network within the poultry farming community, connect with other farmers and suppliers and industry experts. Sharing knowledge and experiences can provide valuable insights and support during challenging times. And last but not the least, number 10, key mindsets for poultry farming business success. Number 10, ethical practices. You want to be ethical in anything you do. It's also spread to your reputation in the industry. Practice responsible and ethical farming methods. Ensure your birds are well cared for and follow animal welfare guidelines, whatever operates in your own country. Make sure you tune into that so that you don't get pollen from those areas, from the government quarters. They can frustrate you. They be unnecessary distractions for you. So adhering to ethical practices enhances your reputation and can attract more conscious consumers. There are some consumers, they are very, let me say, finicky. They want to know your practices. They want to know, whether your farm is a reservoir for birds that have been loaded with antibiotics. People are being health conscious nowadays. Some people will not eat any eggs until they know the kind of your practices. Are you a farm that is always depending on antibiotics to cover up your problems? Or are you a farmer that is always raising your base on organic means or minimizing the use of antibiotics? News gets around. You see some farms in my country, I mean, they are loaded with antibiotics because in terms of efficiency, if they are lacking, what they try to do is to cover it up with antibiotics. And those days are being erased now. If your farm is known for doing that, people will try to avoid coming to buy products from your farm. And bad news always go further than good news. So make sure you are ethical in your practices. By adopting these success mindsets and integrating them into your daily practices, you can foster growth and sustainability in your poultry farming business. Remember that patience, dedication, and continuous improvement are keys to long-term success in agriculture. On this note, I'd like to tell you that I'll be signing off. Don't forget, if you have not done so, subscribe now to this channel, press the like button and also share to other farmers. And please don't forget to make a comment on any area of the farming industry you want me to talk about. This is Digest TV, your host, Dr. Joseph Deji-Folutile, signing off. Bye for now. Thank you.